Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We have a fantastic program today. Just a few weeks ago, we got in the Godox 8200 Pro 2. I reviewed it. I was impressed with it then. I had been dying to do a photo shoot with it. Finally got one done, and the pictures are amazing. There's some other things I want to talk about on the Godox, but let's go ahead and we'll get into the Godox information at the end of the video. I like these pictures so much, and I was so impressed with the Godox. Let's go ahead and take a look at the photo shoot and the pictures, and then at the end of the video, we'll talk about the Godox in there. So check out these images.
Welcome back, guys. Today we have the new Godox 8200 Pro 2. It just came out last week. It'll be available on Amazon sometime next month, but I've been wanting to do a photo shoot with it. We got it in last week and I reviewed it, but we're going to actually do some pictures today, and we have Hallie with us again today, so expect plenty more beautiful pictures coming your way. So let's get started. We're going to shoot on TTL, shooting with the Canon R6, the Sigma 24-105, 1/100th of a second, f4, ISO 100. And here we go. Look at the eyes right back at me. There you go.
I might blink.
That's okay. Do it again. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Right there, very good.
Can you see the back? Okay.
A little bit, yeah. That's right there. You're good. Smile. Tilt your head over a little bit. Right there. Good. A little smile. Now point your feet that way a little bit more so I can see a little more of the back. There, you got it. Perfect. Right there. Good smile. Now tilt your head over just a little bit. Close your eyes. I'm going to count to 3. Keep your eyes closed. When I get to 3,
What am I doing?
close your eyes. Keep
You looked very nervous.
I know. She's like, I don't trust you. I got one. She had one eye open. She's like, close your eyes. I'm going to count to 3. When I get to 3, open it real slowly. Look right into the camera, and you don't have to smile. Okay. So here we go. Count to 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That looks awesome. You want to see that?
How do you do it? Oh.
You see it?
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Is that cool? All right, we're going full length this time.
Not doing the same thing?
Yep, I like that look right there.
So, close my eyes again?
No, we don't have to close your eyes. Yeah. Our tent blew over, but it's okay. There you go.
Aren't your lips just a tad on this one?
Me or her?
How do you
There you go. Now twist back toward me. There you go. Good smile.
smile?
Yeah. Tilt your head over that way. I like that. Very good. Now turn right toward me. Right in the center. Take your hands and put like your thumbs through your belt loops. Just barely point your feet this way. All right, this is attitude. Just like staring right through there. Right there. That's perfect. I'm just going to shoot through so you stay right where you are. And you guys can tell this TTL, we are set at dead zero on TTL, and it is nailing every picture. It looks amazing. And she is doing such a wonderful job. Holy cow. And this is the first time I've ever shot her pictures. Now it wants to focus on your foot. So give me a second. There we go. There we go. That is beautiful. Come in a little close. I'm just going to, you keep right where you are. That is so good. A little bit more of a smile. Now let's lose the smile. No smile. Let's close your eyes again. On the count of 3, real slow. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's beautiful. That really is amazing. So as you guys can tell, this 8200 on ETTL has nailed every shot that we've done so far. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to shoot just a few more. Let's go back down on the ground again. Whatever's comfortable, on your knees or up, however you want to sit. Hold that for 1 second. You're good. You're good. Whatever is comfortable. Very good. Arch that back a little bit straighter. A little smile. Roll your chin this way. You got it right there. Come in close. I love the way your hands are. That is so good. See those eyes. Oh, I think I got you blinking. Try it again.
I blinked again.
That's okay. Let's see. That's all right. We'll get it this time. Here we go. That is so awesome. Okay, guys, that was the Godox 8200 Pro. You did a fantastic job. These pictures are absolutely beautiful. So if anybody wants to take pictures of Hallie, call me. I won't give you her number because she's my model. But anyway, let's check out these pictures.
I don't wanna feel this good just 'cause you called last night. I'm not that girl.
you go, guys. That Godox, I shot all those on TTL. 0 adjustment. It nailed everything. You saw it. Those are shot raw, but straight out of the camera. I'll tell you that my Godox 8200s are really accurate, but I don't think they're quite this accurate. And if you guys have been following our channel, you know I've been dealing with some on-camera flashes lately, and I've never seen such inaccuracy from some name brands. But anyway, I won't go into that. That's a different video for a different day. Man, it's coming, don't worry. This 8200, not only the back of the screen, I think when I reviewed it, I showed you the back of the screen. One of the problems with the old Godox was the type of screen on the back. You couldn't hardly see it really good outside, but check out the back of that. It's full color, it's high contrast. You can read this from a mile away. Not that you really have to, because I control everything through my X3. But just the fact to know that if you need to check up there, you can see it. You don't have to pull it down and, you know, pull your hat over or whatever, shirt, and try to look and see what it says. It is great. Now, we planned this shoot for late September, so we would have some nice 75-degree weather. And we've had 75-degree weather up until yesterday when it was 94 degrees when we were shooting. So you just can't make plans. But Hallie was such a trooper. She did amazing. I mean, her pictures absolutely were beautiful. There's not a way to take a bad picture of that girl. She is absolutely incredible in front of the camera. Super sweet. I've known her mom forever. I've got some more videos coming of Hallie coming in the next week or so, and I've even got one of her mom coming. Just too awesome. I would love her mom to death. I've known her since I was probably 20, somewhere in there, and she's been with me all these years. We've done tons and tons of pictures for her family, for her, just everything. So just think the world of her and her family. I just love this 8200 Pro 2. It is amazing. The one thing I did not use was the modeling light. I didn't need it yesterday. It was fairly bright outside, and I don't think it would have helped at all. And it would have just ran the battery down and probably wouldn't have been able to see it. So I didn't use it. Now, the one thing that I did find that I don't love, and this is not a big enough reason not to buy this flash. If you're looking for a Godox 8200 or an outside flash, this has fans built in to keep it from getting hot. There's really no flaws in this. You can tell by looking at those pictures how accurate it is. And to me, that's the most important thing about a flash. Does it fire, and is it accurate? Does the menu, can you use the menu without being a Harvard graduate? You know, those kind of things. That's what I'm looking for from a flash. This was the thing that kind of threw me off a little bit. And I think I've got some other ones, so it's not the end of the world, but you mount this onto your light stand. And then on the top, you'll see it screws down. And you can screw it into the bottom of here. Because I was just shooting directly with a Fresnel head on it. I didn't put it in a softbox or anything. So you mount this part onto the bottom on the stand. But then when you go to turn this, these two will hit. It's kind of odd, but it's not the end of the world, but they do kind of get in the way sometimes, like you can see right there. If you got that down and that tightened up, that's going to hit. Not a reason not to buy it. I'm just being really nitpicky, but it is something I wanted to show you. Looks like they could have came up with something a little bit better, but I know I have different kinds of these laying around everywhere. I can just use those, and most of you guys probably do too. And if you don't, it's still usable. It's just a little bit of a pain. It's a slight inconvenience, nothing drastic, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. Everything else, I did not use the bare bulb head yesterday because I didn't use a softbox, but absolutely. This thing is plenty powerful. We were in the shade about 45 minutes before sunset, so it wasn't terribly bright. But this thing, it had plenty of power, and it could have gave me a lot more. So I am thoroughly impressed with this. And you guys know that I don't just say I love something if I don't really love it and use it myself. So I love this. This is my third or fourth Godox 8200. None of them broke. I just have a bunch of them because I use them all the time. It's nice to set up multiple ones at receptions and different shoots. So fantastic flash. I give it an A+. The only downfall was this little thing, and that's really just nitpicking, so I won't get into that too much. But I thought those pictures were fantastic. What did you guys think about the pictures? There was a few times that I was shooting kind of fast and I would get off center a little bit. That was on me. But I was just trying to move kind of fast to see the recycle time on this, and it was just shooting and shooting and shooting, and it was going. So there was absolutely no problem with that. But let me know what you think about the pictures. If you plan on getting the Godox 8200 because of its new upgrades, or if you're just going to hang on to the ones you have for a while. need to add a new one to your lineup, I would definitely check this one out. Or if you don't have one at all, I would go ahead and start with this, because I haven't even raised the prices on it. It's $359 still, I believe. It'll be released on Amazon in just another week or two. There may be some stores that have them in already. Our affiliate is with Amazon. Our affiliate link at the bottom that you'll see is Amazon, and I think they're like around October 2nd they'll start shipping them out, so not long. But anyway, it also comes in this cool case, and I think I showed you when I reviewed it the first time. One thing I love about this little case, it's made good, but I love the little orange, because I never can find, I'm always feeling around, where are the zippers? And yeah, that's a pretty minute problem too. That's about as silly as the little thing banging into each other I was complaining about, but I can also say good things about it if I gotta say something bad. So the little orange zippers, I like that, nice touch. Now I can find them much easier. So anyway, guys, I will stop the rambling. Let me know what you think about those pictures. Let me know what you think about this Godox 8200 and if you plan on getting one or not. If you have any questions, drop a message down at the bottom. Give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thanks.